Hi, welcome back to Frequently Asked Fridays, where we here at Martin IP Law Group answer your questions about intellectual property matters, patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. This week we're here to talk about a copyright matter, and more specifically a case that's been recently decided by the U.S. Supreme Court. You may recall we blogged about this case a few years back, or probably a little less than that actually. It was a case involving photographer Lynn Goldsmith against the estate of Andy Warhol over some pictures of prints that she took in the mid to late 80s and that Warhol used as inspiration for a painting that he later used for a magazine cover. The Supreme Court has now issued an opinion basically determining that Warhol's use of that was non-transformative and therefore it infringed on Goldsmith's copyright to the photograph. The issue really there is it a derivative work or does it transform the meaning of the work in another sense? And a lot of factors to be considered there, and the Supreme Court addressed all of those. Ultimately came down on the side of Goldsmith in this case, saying that it was not transformative, but was merely a derivative of her photograph. So that's an update on that. Again, people that support the Supreme Court's opinion, I think, believe that this will enhance artists' rights, photographers' rights, in the ability for them to license their materials for use to others rather than having it misappropriated or copied. Those that disagree with the opinion, I think, argue that it could stifle creativity and it could stifle future works from being created just because of this limitation. So if you've got some thoughts on that, feel free to post here or send us an email or comment in some way, shape, or form. Let us know what you think as to whether this is something that's good for creative development here and photographers and artists and the like, or if you think that this is going to have a negative impact. We want to know what you think as well. Again, and you can we'll put a link to our earlier blog post so you can read a little more in depth about what the issues are. Hope this has been informative. Hope this helps you out. Have a great weekend.